Welcome to Math Nexus, where numbers peak and knowledge grows. Look at the question. A man walks 3 kilometers in 1 hour. Find the distance he travels in 18 seconds. 3 kilometers in 1 hour, 18 seconds. How much distance? Ratio between distance and time. Distance 3 kilometers, time 1 hour means 60 minutes equal to 60 into 60 is equal to 30 seconds. 3 kilometer distance in 3600 seconds. In 18 seconds, the distance is unknown. Look at the data. 3 kilometer in 3600 seconds. In 18 seconds, how much distance? Time is decreases. The distance will also be decreases. (3,600) is equal to 3 kilometers into 18 seconds. Divide both sides. Is equal to 3 kilometers into 18 seconds upon 3600 seconds. Now second 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36. 3 kilometers upon 200 seconds. 3 kilometers means 3000 meter. 3000 upon 200, 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 ones are 2, 15 twos are 30. Is equal to 15 meter. X is equal to 15 meter. This is the answer of this question. Look at again. Distance 3 kilometers, time 3600 seconds. Distance unknown, time 18 seconds. Time is decreases. Distance is also decreases. Time is decreases. Distance is also decreases from 3 kilometers to 15 meters. Look at the question. If 8 men can do a job in 12 days, 8 men, days 12, how long will 24 men take to complete it? Ratio between men and days. Men 8, days 12. Men 24, days unknown. Look at the data. Men is increases. Days will be decreases. This is direct inverse proportion. 24x is equal to 8 into 12. Divide both sides by 24 is equal to 8 into 12 upon 24. X is equal to 8 upon 12 24. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. X is equal to 4 days. Look at again. Man is increases from 8 to 24. Days will be decreases from 12 to 4. Look at the question. If 6 men can do a piece of work in 20 days, man 6, days 20, how many extra men should be engaged to do the job in 15 days? Ratio between men and days. Men 6, days 20, days 15, men unknown. Look at the data. Days is decreases from 20 to 15. Men will be increases. This is inverse proportion. 15 x is equal to 6 into 20. Divide both sides by 15 is equal to 6 into 20 upon 15. 6 into 20, 6 into 20 upon 15. 2 threes are 6, 5 threes are 15, 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 2 into 4 is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. Look at the data. 6 men, 20 days. How many extra men should be engaged to do the job in 15 days? 6 men and 8 men. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 2 extra men is required. 2 extra men. This is the answer of this question. Look at the question. A man left saving of rupees 2,50,000 to his wife, 2 daughters and a son. Find the value of the share that each received. Saving amount is equal to 2,50,000. Wife share is equal to 1 upon 8 into 2,50,000. It means 2,50,000 upon 8. 8 threes are 24. 1 0 8 2 8 ones are 8 2 0 8 twos are 16 4 0 8 fives are 40. It means 31,250. Now divide this amount from this 2,50,000 50,000 minus 0, 10 minus 5, 9, 7, 9, 8, 4, 3, 1, 2. Remaining amount 2,18,750. Remaining amount. Remaining amount is 2,18,750. Now ratio between son and daughter. Son 2 ratio daughter 1. Daughter 2 son 1. 2 ratio 2. Sum of the ratio is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now son ratio is equal to 2 upon 4 into the remaining amount 2,18,750. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2 nines are 18, 2 threes are 6, 2 sevens are 14, 2 fives are 10 is equal to 109,375 divided by 2. 10,900 upon 2. 2 5, 10, 2 fours are 8, 1, 3, 2 6 are 12, 1, 2 sevens are 14, 1, 0, 2 fives are 10. Daughter share is equal to now check all the shares either 2,50,000 come or not. 3,000, 31,250 plus 5, 7, 3, 9, 0, 1, 5, 7, 6, 4, 5, 5, 7, 6, 4, 5. अब बहुत सा लग दोबारा वर्क्स now daughter share is equal to divided by 2. Two fives are 10, 9, 2 fours are 8, 1, 3, 2 6 are 12, 1, 7, 2 8s are 16, 1, 5, 2 sevens are 14, 1, 2 fives are 10. Means 5, 4, 6, 8, 7.5. This is the daughter share. Another daughter share is same 5, 4, 6, 8, 7.5. Now to check all the shares, either 2,50,000 come or not. 3,000 plus 2,50,000 is equal to 2,50,000. This is the answer of this question. Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious with Math Nexus.